Let's see how you can add text in Canva. Incorporating text into your designs is essential for conveying messages effectively. So in this case, let's choose poster. Next, we need to go to the left-hand side and select text. Here we are greeted with different styles of text boxes. Let's use this first text box of a heading. That's it. If you want to add another text box of the same, you just need to select the same option. If you want to add a subheading, we can choose this. Click on this to move it down here. And a little bit of body text, we click here. We are given free reign over the text inside here. So let's change it here. How, when, where. You can also change the font style, font size, color, alignment, and effects added to the text. We can adjust the position of the text simply by dragging the text box anywhere we deem fit. We can also change whether the text is in bold or in italic here. So let's remove the bold effect from this. Now, just like that. And that's it. That's how you add text in Canva. See you soon.